It's very likely that you're just overcomplicating SMMA. And I'm assuming that because if you're watching this video, you probably think that something could be going either better or that you're not where you want to be. And the reason why that is probably because you have a bunch of bloat on your list that doesn't actually do or mean anything. Like, here's two things that I quickly want to say before I even keep going. Every single successful SMMA owner that I know has the most simple, straightforward task list because they value quality over the quantity or the amount of tasks that they need to get done. And so if you have 10 tasks, for instance, and you want to get 8 done in one day because they're the faster ones and that you can get them out of the way first, let me tell you something, those things being done won't change absolutely anything. The only three things that matter is if you can get a client, if you can keep a client, and if you can get results. If you're running an SMMA, you don't need anything else, no other extra bullshit or fluff. And I'll help you cut 2 weeks of wasted time if you're doing this or you're going to do this. Don't spend 5 days making a perfect script, or don't spend 5 days making the perfect ad, or don't spend 5 days making a perfect copy. Just refine it, test it, refine it, reiterate it, and keep improving, get that feedback loop, and actually improve your operations. Because 100 outreach messages, or 100 calls, or $100 spent on Facebook ads will teach you more than watching 10 YouTube videos. Because most of the time, and I used to be in that position, which is why I'm giving the advice of not doing these things, because I used to watch these videos. And the thing is, unless you're genuinely taking notes and you're genuinely trying to memorize it, you will forget 99.5% of everything that you see. It's crazy. And the thing is this, you don't need an advanced service. You don't need complex delivery, right? In the beginning, you can actually use this to your advantage. Instead of saying you can offer 50 things, say you can only do one thing, but say that you can do it better than the agencies who do 20 things at once because you're a specialist in this one thing. And you can use that as leverage for getting more clients. Because what people want to see ultimately is just results. So if you tell someone, yes, look, I only do Facebook ads, I don't do any of the branding, I don't do any funnel building, I don't have any of that, but the only thing I do is Facebook ads. But the thing is, I'm really, really good at Facebook ads. And I have 5 other clients that I got results for and that I can show you right now. And so I'm sorry, I'm not gonna tell you I have 10 other things to show you and to do for you and all of these extra services. But what I can promise you is my guarantee, which is if I don't make you a profit, I will refund all of your money. And the thing is, in the beginning, by saying what I just said, you have nothing to lose, and you also seem 10 times more confident than if you try to tell them that, you do the branding, and then you also waste 10 times more time on one client, and the service delivery ultimately is going to be more mediocre because you have to spread your attention and all your resources across 10 things. And so delivery doesn't have to be complex. Start with a service, look and find proven strategies, copy and paste them. If you find something, if you find an ad that works in a niche, test it in your own niche, play around with it, reiterate it, just repeat the process, and then I guarantee you are going to get a system that ultimately is reliable, and then you can copy paste for all of your clients. And so if you genuinely want to move at the fastest speed ever, make a list of the most important things in your SMMA, getting a client, keeping a client, getting results. Look at the most important things in all of these areas, all of the most important tasks, and try to always double down on them every single day. Fuck your website, fuck your picture on the website, fuck your logo, fuck the copy on your website. No one's gonna see them. Fuck the subject line in your cold email. Actually, no, that's pretty important. And so I made this video because I want to save the time that a lot of people may go through if they are doing an SMMA. Because I used to overcomplicate SMMA, and it wasn't just me. I have 2 more partners alongside with me, and we were all getting tunnel vision on this thing, trying to do multiple things at once, spreading all our wings across multiple areas that truly didn't matter. And once we realized that we spent so many of our resources on things that are truly garbage, ultimately, they didn't really do anything for us, then we started doing better. You don't need to do 100 things, do 2 things, and do them really well. Don't overcomplicate it. And so I hope that if you watched this video, you were a person who was overcomplicating things in SMMA, because then you got something. And if you didn't get anything, I'm sorry. But if you did get something, you should probably watch another, because I have a bunch of videos. So